Welcome to Suntop Channel. Today, we are super excited to introduce you to an amazing piece of technology, the UV flying laser marking machine. First up, this machine uses constant temperature water cooling. This means it can work efficiently and stably even when the ambient temperature is high. Say goodbye to performance drops due to heat. Check out its flexible structure. It has a small footprint and can be installed on the assembly line with a professional bracket. No need for a computer. This machine comes with an intelligent touchscreen control system. The stable and light main beam lifting mechanism is a great feature. It can adjust the main beam up and down, front and back within a certain range, providing more flexibility in marking operations. Powered by a professional industrial laser source, this machine offers a faster marking speed, excellent marking consistency, and high reliability. It can work 24 hours continuously, perfectly meeting the needs of large-scale processing and production. Thanks for watching.